Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm sitting down with you guys to do a little luxury unboxing. So I picked up a new designer bag the other day and I'm so excited because I am redoing my entire bag collection, mainly because of the designer bags that I currently own. I just feel like they're just not doing it for me and I just want to start over and really focus on buying bags that are very like timeless and classic and something that will just last me for years to come, and bags that I know will just never go out of style because it's a classic look, you know? And when you're in this field, I feel like, and social media plays a big part, you're constantly like seeing all the trendy bags and you're like, I want it, I want it, I want it. But I know for me, I can't do that because it's not, one, it's not cost friendly. Trends are trends for a reason, like they eventually go out of style, but I feel like a classic look will just always be, you know what I mean? Like just always be classic. And I feel like for me, like where I want to go style wise, I want to be in like the category of just like, you know, a classic clean cut look. So I really want to just get designer bags that reflect that person who I want to be. So yeah, I mean, it's gonna take a long time to kind of like curate my luxury bag collection of my dreams, and a lot of saving involved because some of them are so expensive. I'm not gonna get rid of all my bags though. Just want to say that I'm definitely gonna keep the Givenchy and To Go, and I feel like that bag is just classic. The vintage Chanel bag, I feel like I found a Chanel bag that was in my birth year, 1994, so I'm gonna just keep that just because of that sentimental aspect. The other bags I feel like can go because we're starting over, okay? We're starting over. So let's get this unboxing started. So I decided to go with a YSL bag, or Saint Laurent bag. This bag has been on my wish list for a couple months now. I've been eyeing a bag for the evening time. This bag, I will say, is pretty trendy. I was just speaking about trends and stuff, but here's the difference with this bag. It's trendy because I feel like a lot of people have it, but it's still a very classic design that I know I would be wearing for a minute. So I still went ahead and purchased it anyways. So yeah, let's jump right into the bag that I got because I'm so excited. I'm the kind of person that when I do get a new bag, I don't touch it unless I'm filming. So I've been waiting to unbox this with you guys for a few days now. So this is the receipt. Okay, so the bag that I got is this little shoulder bag here. I actually don't know what it's called. So this is called a hobo bag and it's in this smooth leather. This is the number 7 size and it has the gold hardware. Now this bag is like super simple and just super like, I don't know, like it's so basic, but it's so me. And I thought this bag would be perfect for like little evening situations, whether it be a date night or a girl's night out. I just really wanted a bag that can just go over my shoulder. Very like simple style here. I mean, I don't really know what else to really say about the bag. It's very simple, but here's some close-up shots. So in the center here, you guys can see it has the YSL like clasp. So the bottom of the L just slides in and out, and that's pretty much how you close the bag here. I will say my biggest concern is like the bag scratching easily. In fact, it has a scratch on it right now. I'm trying to decide, like, should I go to YSL and like have them switch it out, because I feel like I just unboxed it, as you guys saw. So this is the Saint Laurent monogram hobo bag with an adjustable strap and tab closure with metal YSL hook. It's 90% calf skin leather and 10% brass. The dimensions is here too. And they have a ton of different colors. I mean, I do really need an evening white bag or beige bag, and I was really considering like purchasing another one but in the lighter shade, but I felt like I might just explore another brand white color bag for the evening time. And it doesn't have to be designer either. I feel like I'm a little bit more wary about buying designer bags in lighter shades because I'm always afraid of like color trends for the leather getting ruined, but for a black bag, I don't mind. So yeah, so this is the bag, and I'm just really obsessed with just the very simple design of this bag. And then this is the closure area. It's the YSL sign, and you just literally just push that in the little hole there. And again, it is a shoulder bag, and I feel like as of lately I've been really gravitating towards shoulder bags a lot lately. I just feel like they just do it for me. I just love this look. I just think this looks like very classic and stunning, and I just can't wait to like rock this with like my mock necks this like winter and fall season. And I just love the shoulder look, and it's just very comfy. Right now it's on the shortest setting, but let me put it down to like the lowest or the shortest and see how that looks. But I love that you're able to adjust it, because you never know. Sometimes you want it to be under your armpit area and sometimes you don't. Okay, I love that. Okay, so it's like a lot looser and not as tight, but I probably will wear it on the tightest, because as you can see I have a lot of room here. I can just hold it. But yeah, I'm actually very obsessed with this bag. I love the look of it so much. It's clean, it's elegant, it's classy, and definitely my kind of vibe right now. So this is the inside of the bag. I have my phone in here right now to kind of like give you guys a little just kind of give you guys an idea of what can fit. I'm sure I can fit like my sunglasses, my phone, my wallet, like everything that I need will be able to fit in here. I'm pretty sure of it. And yeah, I am just obsessed with her. She's so cute. Okay, yeah, so this is basically what this bag is looking like. I really don't know what else to really say about the bag because it's so simple. But there is a zipper in the back. And in here has, I don't know what this is, like a cloth? I don't know. But it has a zipper in the back. This is the closure. Has an adjustable strap. This leather you're gonna have to be extremely careful with. But again, this is not gonna be like an everyday bag for me. It's going to be like an evening bag. So I'll be bringing this bag whether I'm going out for the night, a date night, a girl's night out, something of that nature. This bag would be for those occasions. It won't be for everyday wear, so I'm not too concerned about getting it like messed up like a lot. So I'm totally okay with that. I'm gonna just put this right here for now because I have one more thing to share with you guys, and it's just a pair of Celine sunglasses. This is also another wish list item that I thought, why not just buy it, because I was just right there. And yeah, this is the case that it comes in. I love their cases. They're just so soft and like lovely. And we have this is the Triumph sunglasses, and it's just the black one with the kind of like rectangular frame and you know the Celine logo on the sides here. Okay, I just cannot stop thinking about these sunglasses. They've been on my wish list for so long, but I didn't want to purchase them for the summertime because I felt like in the summer, you know what I mean? Like in the summer, I don't really care too much, but this is gonna be a winter staple with my coats and stuff. Let me just take this stuff off, I'm sorry. Let me try it on for you. I don't know, I really think these sunglasses are so classy, and these are the perfect sunglasses, you guys, for like every day, just like running errands. I think they're very stunning. I am obsessed with them, and again, I've wanted these for so long, it's insane. I'm shocked I'm only just now purchasing them, but again, buying luxury stuff has just been on the back of my list because I just had furniture to purchase and things like that. So I'm just now getting around to like checking off some wish list items. So yeah, I'm super excited. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's unboxing. I do have another bag that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys soon. I'm gonna go pick it up. I was gonna wait and just do like a double unboxing, but I kind of want to make each of these bags their dedicated videos, and then I'm going to do like a what fits and how I style it. So yeah, but that's pretty much it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you think about my new bag, and I'll see you guys soon.